Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifka Kori.
My name is Ashley.
My name is Ahmad.
My name is Adiyah.
And we are from Sekolah Dato' Abdul Razak. Also present chapter 10, Sound. Let's go.
Firstly, we're going to present about characteristics of sound waves. Sound is an energy made by vibrations. Some examples are by blowing a flute, and hitting a drum. Now, try and touch your throat and while speaking. Can you feel the vibration? That is sound in action.
Next up, we are going to explore the transfers of sound in solid, liquid, and gases. Sound is the vibration that moves through particles, but how fast they move depends on the material. Let's test solid first.
Solids have tightly packed particles, so sound travels the fastest through them. That's why when I tap this table, I can hear the sound clearly to it.
Let's see how sound travels in gases.
In gases like air, particles are far apart, so sound travels the slowest. That's why sound is slower in air than in solids or water.
Now, let's talk about reflection of sound, or is known as echo. Did you hear that? The sound that came back from me is an echo.
Now, let's talk about something different. The absorption of sound. When an object hits a soft surface, it will produce a sound that is even softer or maybe even silent. Now, let's test this out. The sound that you heard is loud and clear. And now, the sound that you heard is even softer and maybe even silent. Now, this one's cool. It's called Doppler effect. It happens when a sound source is moving or producing sound. I will now show you a demonstration. Watch and listen carefully. This is because when a sound moves towards us, the sound becomes higher. And when the sound moves away from us, the sound becomes lower. This is because when the sound moves towards us, the sound waves are being squished together, producing a higher pitch. And when the sound waves are moving away from us, the sounds are being stretched out and producing a lower pitch.
So, that's all for our science project.
We learned that sound can travel to solid, liquid, and gases.
Our sound can be reflected and be absorbed and can change pitches when moving because of the Doppler effect.
Hopefully, you learned something new. And thank you for watching.